Good morning, guys. My name is Pranav Krishnan, and today we'll be taking a look at Eli Lilly, an American pharmaceutical company. My MBA ID is 21146, and with that, let's move on to the first. Let's take a look at the company overview. Eli Lilly is a pharmaceutical company headquartered in the city of Indianapolis, Indiana. They are the first company to mass produce the polio vaccine and human insulin. The company is the largest manufacturer of psychiatric medications, and the company is ranked 123rd on the Fortune 500 list. Vision and mission statement. The company unites caring with discovery to create medicines that make life better for people around the world. There are three long established core values: 1. Integrity, 2. Excellence, and 3. Respect for people. Mergers and acquisitions. Eli Lilly has acquired 27 companies, including 9 in the last 5 years. A total of 2 acquisitions came from private equity firms. It has also divested 9 assets. Eli Lilly's largest acquisition to date was in 2019 when it acquired Loxo Oncology for $8 billion. Its largest disclosed sale occurred in 1998 when it sold PCS Health Systems to Rite Aid for $1.5 billion. So, first manufacturer of human insulin. Eli Lilly was the first company to manufacture human insulin, leading to the betterment of millions of lives. They used recombinant DNA technology to synthesize human insulin. Previously, diabetic patients had to rely on pig insulin. They have created great strides in the usage of recombinant DNA technology to create biosimilar products. Now let's take a look at IT at Eli Lilly. Data is critical for making real-time informed decisions. Data silos make it impossible for users and systems to access critical data needed to make these decisions. Now, the historical divide between teams responsible for information technology and operation technology is a prime example, and one that life sciences leader Eli Lilly took steps to unify about 10 years ago. Combining IT and OT into a single unit has worked greatly for Eli Lilly and has made its life-saving operations more efficient. So let's look at the challenge they faced. At Eli Lilly, IT and OT began as separate and isolated domains, and throughout the 1980s and 1990s, their boundaries began to overlap, causing the organization to experience several challenges. IT solutions expanded from its roots in financial and data processing to address transaction management requirements on the manufacturing floor. Process automation expanded from proprietary standalone digital controllers to become integrated into running on commodity IT hardware. These overlaps led directly to production stoppages, production losses, and cost overruns for solution deployments. So this is what they did to face the challenge. To overcome these challenges, the company focused efforts on better defining areas of responsibility and establishing shared governance of important activities. Realizing that who an individual reports to is not nearly as important as how the person behaves. Engineering leaders became members of the IT lead team, and IT senior directors aligned with the engineering senior directors. Today, Eli Lilly's strong IT-OT partnership allows it to unite on a shared purpose of producing life-saving medicines with safety first and quality always. So this is a very relevant quote made by one of the VPs at Eli Lilly. So let's take a look at the other results. So designing and defining digital capabilities to be included in new plants, buildings, and lines. Exploring potential value from new technology and capabilities. Developing an understanding of industrial cybersecurity, a plan to mitigate immediate risks, and outgoing strategy to ensure best available protection, and so on. These are all the key initiatives that the partnership drives. And so Eli Lilly has been reaping the benefits of its IT-OT collaboration since the early 2010. Um, the IT-OT partnership also helps drive the company's global serialization program, which towards a global solution to provide regulatory managed traceability for all its final production units. This solution converges IT and OT domains by integrating vision systems, high-speed control, event management systems, and ERP systems. This is another relevant quote by one of the VPs at Eli Lilly. So what's next? So the pharma company expects it will take 10 years to fully realize its digital transmission vision across its major sites. This includes an aspirational goal of having a predictive plan by 2023, and you see other goals are written down. So what's next? Here we have another quote by VP Harris. So what I learned, IT is a quintessential part of any organization. Clubbing IT and OT can help in improving operating efficiency. Even non-technological companies can benefit immensely from IT services. IT systems can help in many different types of operations. IT systems are useful in delivering and storing information. Thank you.